Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Art Tricks. Today our lecture is about how to find and replace data in Microsoft Excel. So we have two methods to find data in Microsoft Excel and also replace data in Microsoft Excel. The first method is long method and the second is short method. The first method is manually and the second method is shortcut keys method we use here to find and replace data in MS Excel. So first we try with manually or long methods. So we click on that Sunday and find. Click on editing panel, editing ribbon. You can find here command find and select. So click on that and click on find. After clicking on find, the dialog box is open. So we minimize it. Click on that find and select and click on find, and this dialog box is open. So we find any words here by clicking on that. Y and find text. So we can see here on Monday, so we can see on Tuesday, we can see on Wednesday, we can see on Thursday, we can see on Friday, and so on Saturday. So it finds Y alphabet in all these cells. So if we want to replace Y with G, then we click on that replace Y, replace with G. So we'll write G and replace all. So all done, we made 8 replacement. So you can see that Y is replaced with G. So shortcut key is also used, Ctrl plus F for find and Ctrl plus H for replace. You can also replace G with Y and replace all. So you can see that all done, we made 8 replacements. You can see that all the alphabet of Y replaced, all the alphabet of G replaced with Y. So these two methods are discussed in this lecture. Hope so you will like it and subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you for watching.